Hello guys.
Welcome to the family.
So the reason I'm making vlog today is, as you can see, it's totally torn, and I do plan to ride a bit more. Let's go to a riding gear shop. I think we will explore the options. So there are a lot of types of handlers. I think so. We will see which gears pairs with my hand, and we will also explore what could be better for you. You can use the guidance, I think, if I ask from the shop owner or someone. We will see.
Going to whisper hello when I saw you once. I lost control. I'm probably thinking it's taking the wrong, but I won't let you go, let you go.
Hi, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ವಿಕಾಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿಕಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಯ್ ಬ್ರೋ, ಗ್ಲೌಸ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಗ್ಲೌಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ರೈನಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಹಾಂ,
ಇದು 8
ಓಕೆ
ಇದು 18 18 ಎರಡು ಕಲರ್ ವೇರಿಯಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ
And 8 is pure leather.
ಹಾಂ
And you will get Tornado Pro 4 model, 3 different colors. One is neon red and white. Two are the only models right now available, as our store has been open
Okay.
just 2 months ago.
Yeah.
Everything like that store open ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎರಡೇ ಪೀಸಸ್ ಇರೋದು Rynox to full gauntlet gloves.
ಹಾಂ
And ಅದು you have LS2
ಓಕೆ
and Axor. So different variety. And the premium ones are Rynox. Solace is also good, 100% pure leather. And LS2 blouses are the new launch series.
ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ
These are all for tar and on-road experiences. For off-road, we have off-road gloves, which comes in a fabric material. You won't get a lot of protection and all in off-road.
ಓಕೆ.
These are off-road gloves.
ಸೊ ಅದು ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್ ಇರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಟಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ?
City limits ke you have to go for leather ones,
ಓಕೆ.
or Axor or LS2. Depends on your comfort. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಲೆದರ್ ಸ್ವೆಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಟೈಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಫೀಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಒನ್ಸ್. ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಆ ಥರ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ತಗೊಳಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಡ್ವೆಂಟೋ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಡ್ವೆಂಟೋನೂ ಇದೆ. ಅಡ್ವೆಂಟೋ ಪ್ರೋ ಬಂದು ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಟಾರ್ನೆಡೋ ಪ್ರೋ ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟಾರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ರಫ್ ಯೂಸ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿದ್ರು ಏನೇ ಬಿದ್ರು ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಫೈಬರ್ knuckles have 3 different colors and variants.
ಸೊ ನಾವು ಗ್ಲೌಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಕಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ.
ನಕಲ್ ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ, ಇದು ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಫೈಬರ್, ಇದು ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಲೆದರ್. ಬಟ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಆಗಿ ಫುಲ್ ಗಾನ್ಲೆಟ್ ಗ್ಲೌಸ್ ಬರೋದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಪಿಂಕಿ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಪಿಂಕಿ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ಲೌಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಒನ್ಸ್. ಒಂದು ಟಾರ್ನೆಡೋ ಪ್ರೋ 4 ಅಂಡ್ ಅಡ್ವೆಂಟೋ ಈ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. And we had quite a variety of stocks. We had Viatara Whole Shot and Whole Shot Pro.
Okay.
All are stocked out right now, as this is the new year. Last year stocks ಎಲ್ಲ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, and we're gonna get some new stocks.
So you see.
Yeah,
Okay.
soon.
So pinky finger guards is basically for
ಕ್ರಾಶ್ ಆದಾಗ ಈಟ್ ಬೀಳದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಬೆರಳಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಈ ತರ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬಿದ್ರೆ, ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಬಂಪ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ವೈಲ್ ಯು ಡಾಜಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್, this is the first finger you're gonna get hurt.
Okay.
So that you don't have to lose your finger. And
So this one is from Rynox.
Advento blue color, Advento white.
Okay.
And then Tornado Pro 4 series, off-road, Fox, Solace, pure leather, and the Rynox Air GT and the Axor Gator LS2.
Other than that, what should we consider?
In gloves, second point you have to consider is the palm protection.
Okay.
ಹೊರಗಡೆ ನೀವು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ನೋಡಾಯ್ತು ನಕಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಪಿಂಕಿ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಪಾಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈ ತರ್ಚೋದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಚರ್ಮನೇ ಎದ್ದೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಸೋಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ, ರೈನಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ರೈನಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಲುಕ್, ಅಡ್ವೆಂಟೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಟಾರ್ನೆಡೋ ಪ್ರೋ 4 ಮಾಡಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ will have the same premium protection. The off-road, you don't have to use much of protection because will be on the bike, will be on a lean angle. You can just jump off if you're going to crash, but you don't have to jump off in a way that you're going to fracture bones.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So price range ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದು ಹೇಗಿದೆ?
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದು ಇದು LS2 2300 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Fox gloves ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಫ್-ರೋಡ್ ಗ್ಲೌಸ್ 690. This is the first basic version of gloves, and then second comes the LS2 at 2300, and then the Axor Gator, which costs you at around 2360 rupees, and then comes the Rynox Air GT SP. ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ Rynox ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. This is 100% leather. This is priced at 2950, and the Solace is priced at Solace Saber gloves is priced at 4750. The Advento models both will have the same price, but the different color variants at 6750. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ರೈನಾಕ್ಸ್ ಟಾರ್ನೆಡೋ ಪ್ರೋ 4 ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ 4003. 3 different colors.
ಬಿಗಿನರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ?
Beginner friendly ಅಂದ್ರೆ LS2
Okay.
or Axor. The reason why is it beginner friendly is it's priced at the medium range, and it also provides the best protection. Palm protection ಇದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಕಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಪಿಂಕಿ ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟಾಗಿ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, because as you are a beginner, so you can go for Axor Gator or LS2. We had another variant, Crampster Flux SP.
Okay.
It is also a semi-gauntlet. These are all the semi-gauntlets.
Okay.
These are the full gauntlets.
Yeah.
This one is also semi, this one is semi.
These are for beginners, right? So what do you recommend for
Touring, long rides,
okay.
and also for track purpose or any adrenaline junkies.
So what would you suggest me to buy?
As you are a beginner, I would suggest, this too,
Okay.
which is a good gloves, which is a recent launch. And the second option I'm going to suggest Axor Gator.
Okay.
Then comes the leather version of the Rynox,
Okay.
which is priced at 2950. This is the third variant and the third option, best option. If your budget is a bit higher, Tornado Pro 4,
Okay.
which has carbon fiber. Any gloves you buy, any gloves, you can use it for a year or two.
Daily purpose.
Yeah, every day.
Okay.
1 year minimum, 2 years maximum. You can ride it, you can have crashes, and it's gonna protect you. Yeah.
So okay. Give me a few minutes. I'll try some of these and.
Sure.
So yeah, we'll start by wearing some of and test them. So this one is LS2, and yeah, this one is left hand. We'll see the comfort first, basically. Okay, this is a semi-gauntlet. It's the semi one. This is very comfortable. Yeah, you will get easily adjusted to this in just a few days itself by riding your bikes and such. Yeah, and let's start from Rynox. So this one is the expensive one, and yeah, this one is priced above 4,000.
Let me try a bit. Let me try this one first. Okay. Okay. This one has this paddings, yeah, and the knuckle guard. This knuckle guard, as he said, is the carbon fiber, and we have a pinky guard as well. Let me try. This is a bit. This is good. Yeah, it will take time to adjust with your hands, with your riding style, with the bike. This will take a lot of time. In terms of comfort, this one is really good. I would also suggest, if you have the budget, you can absolutely try this one. Yeah. So as you can see, this one. Let's go with next. We will see Rynox Air GT SP gloves. This one is a very good one, I think so. And this one is of leather, as you can see, with the leather material. Left hand. The close thing. Yeah, this one is almost with the padding. And let me see this one. I didn't see the sizes of this right now, but with the comfort, yeah, this one has the comfort as well, and I think it's a bit big for me right now, as all of my, this fits perfectly. This one has the padding as well, and the knuckle guard. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it small. Check this. This one is a semi gauntlet. I've seen this online as well, I think so. I've seen this looks hand over. So as you can see, this one has the pinky guard. This one is also of leather, but not completely. I think this one has both the fabrics, and yeah, see, you can do. Velcro is nice, padding is nice. I think this is carbon fiber as well. Let's see. This one is of left hand. Let me adjust and see my right hand first. This one is large size itself. Yeah. First of all, yeah, this feels very rigid. This fits well, I think. Yeah, it fits very well. First of all, will fit the Velcro, but it is not fits right with the hand in terms of size, but we'll see about the size later. We will first check the comfort and the protection of this. This has a pinky finger security measure as well, the protection knuckle guards, as you can see, with each and every side. This feels good. Let me test the other one as well. This is from Axor. Out of all this, I think I prefer this one because it has making it a bit more protective as well, which I do need right now. This is good. And what are these? This fits perfectly. This will take time to adjust with your hands, with your riding style, with the bike, as well as everything. But I do think this is much better than the others right now, because it has a lot of protection as well. Yeah, I just have to see to it based on my size and perfect. Yeah, we'll just see the others with a quick look. This one is the Rynox Tornado Pro 4. I will link it in the bio and description for the prices and everything. We'll just have a quick look. I think we already went through this one. This one is the Rynox Advento. Yeah, this one was the more protection with the full gauntlet system. Okay, so this one has the padding, internal padding as well, knuckle guards. Yeah, this is much more professional and for the pros. Yeah, this one has the carbon fiber filled in it for the protection. This one does not have, I think so. Yeah, the other one, the beginner one, does not have this. So this one is the same thing, yeah, with another color theme. I will not try all of them for now. So this one is from Solace. Yeah, I'm not seeing this one. This is a full gauntlet as well. This one has the knuckle guards, and this one is of leather as well. This one has back paddings. Also, we do see all the straps, velcros, and as well. I think we will fix this for now, for as I'm still a beginner. I've kept it on the side. This is from Axor. This one is the Axor Gator one. Yeah, we will just go through their store for once now. They do also have a lot of variety in terms of helmets. Some are from Studs, Vega, and here Axor. I do like Axor ones. Axor is very good. Also remember EC 22.6 and 22.06 is the new standard for helmet and for protection as well. They do also have the riding jackets. We will just have a quick look because I'm not gonna buy any of them right now. So these start from 6,000 and above, I think. Yeah, we also, yeah, around 5 and 6,000 we have from Rynox, Axor. We do have some helmets for display, a lot of helmets. So yeah, let's wrap it up. And we also have top boxes, side panels, side panniers, and so in terms of boots we have from Axor. This is also from Axor. This is from Solace. We will do a separate video on these things the next time that I do a bike purchase. Yeah. So yeah guys, finally I got the Axor Gator gloves now and we're heading out. Let's go home now.